Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to use magnification to zoom in and zoom out. Click Settings, then click Additional Settings, then select Accessibility, click Magnification, then turn on Magnification, then click Magnification shortcut. Choose the one you want to magnification. Now, if you tap 3 times on your phone screen, then your phone will be magnified and make everything look much bigger. When you tap again, your phone will magnify off and everything will look like before. Thanks for watching.